Hey guys, we got the black reading light. I will open this up and show you how it's going. If I can get it here. Probably gonna have to shorten that section of the video out. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna be able to do this one-handed. Yeah, I got it. Okay, so I cheated. I'm in the box now. Haha, sorry. I know, you guys really wanted to see that, didn't you? Sorry. Maybe next time. Anyway, we're gonna get in here, and we're gonna see this little beauty, because I am kind of excited. This little thing is gonna help me do so much. Yay. Nope, it's already lighting up. Already charged. I'm not sure if that's good or bad. It'll be alright. It is USB charge too, so it's okay. There is a cord in here with it, and instructions. The charging cord for USB charge. I love this little thing, it's so cute. The indicator light is a little smiley face. Look at that, it's so cute. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. I love it. I know, I'm sick. Don't laugh at me. Don't judge me. Anyway, this decent little thing looks to be one of my favorites already. I love it. Now if I could just find where this switch is, I can turn it off. Be back. Here, I got this figured out now. Here, hold this for me. Now, you want to do the display for us here? Alright, it's apparently touch, guys. Which is awesome, because I hate buttons. They break. Touch lasts a lot longer, and like you saw, it does have 3 settings. Low, medium, and high. Again, touch. Boop. From Raniaco. I hope I said that right. If not, I'm gonna sound silly. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. So, the charger apparently does this when it gets closer to being fully charged. I love the little smiley face, it's so awesome.